Building Sam. I'm Dan Bethel. This is my truck Sam. So I gotta cut this cross member out to get my new motor mount in. So to keep all this straight, I'm using the flat bar. I'm gonna drill some holes. Keep it straight.
Pretty clever.
Of commercials in class. 106.5 KWOD, everything alternative.
You want your ski? Go get it. Snow Riders, it's Warren Miller time. The official start of winter is here as G presents Warren Miller's Off the Grid. This year, Warren Miller Film Crews followed the world's best winter sports athletes on a global mission to discover
March and May, time to drill.
the steepest mountains.
As you can see, the holes are drilled perfectly. All you gotta do is tighten them up and it stays straight. You gotta use a big drill unless you want to wear your bits out. So I'm gonna bolt that up and then get to chopping. Brother Joe is doing some gasket rebuild on the motor, Mr. Good Wrench motor. You need Powerhouse 350 going in the truck. He went to go get some bolts and shit. So when he gets back, we'll do some filming of that. Right? Joe's got the manifold off, cleaning out the intakes for the water and shit so it didn't blow rust through the motor. Pretty soon gonna get ready to re-gasket it. He's digging for something over there. Whoa, ow! Shouldn't probably be at work in the shop with sandals, but you know, man. It's the old cross member until he chopped it out with the Sawzall of Doom. Yeah, clean up the edges. It's all open now. And a piece of metal's holding her true. Huh?
Couldn't take the blame. Sick with shame. Must be exhausting to lose your own game. Selfishly hated, no wonder you cheated me. You left me. You left me.
Sealant. New gaskets.
7 Pacific only on pay-per-view. Subject to change.
Back to music fast. 106.5 KWOD, everything alternative.
Motor finally assembled by Joe. Got the new manifold on, valve covers on, all the bling bling on. And yes, for those of you power hungry freaks, that is a nitrous intake. That means it'll go super fast. It's where the new motor mount's gonna go, where the old cross member was ish. We got to get it on, and the motor mount's on the other motor to figure out the distance and the height I need to cut for the new tranny, which is somewhere over there. See it? It's all piled behind the tile. Anyway, that's it. Until the next episode of Fixin' Sam. It's gonna be a big job. It's an old cool truck. Need to fix him though. Get him on the road.